Hello and welcome to the Teacher's Staff Room. This is a brand new series where we have student snapshots looking at particular business subjects that may appear in your qualifications. In this particular video, we are going to learn about revenue. Revenue is often referred to as sales. Revenue is the money generated from normal business activities, for example, the selling of products and services. Revenue could be cash, debit, or credit card payments from customers. Businesses need revenue to ensure that they can maintain their day-to-day operations and pay any business costs that they have. The formula to calculate total revenue is price times quantity. Example of revenue. A bakery will sell a range of products such as donuts, bread and cakes. They will be able to calculate how revenue of each product makes, and they will also be able to add up all the products sold for each day to find their total sales or revenue for the day. This is a good method to check the financial health of a business. Here is some practice for you to calculate total revenue. Please pause the video. The answers will be on the next slide. Well done. So yes, the first answer is £150, and you would have found that by multiplying £5 times 30. The second answer is £11,037, and you would have found that answer by multiplying £3,679 by 3. The third answer is £1,349.85, and you would have found that answer by multiplying £89.99 by 15. And the last answer is £449.61. You would have found that answer by multiplying £64.23 by 7. Here is a GCSE exam question for you to practice. Pause this video. The answer will be on the next slide. Well done. The correct answer is D, so we find that by multiplying 1,000 by £1 and adding that to 2,000, which is multiplied by 60 pence, giving us a total revenue of £2,200. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video.